So this is the extra large Camco water filter, and just to compare it size-wise to the standard one, this is the standard one, and the other one is twice as big to do twice as much filtering. And they're actually designed so that they will not only improve the odor and the taste of your water, but remove the chlorine and the lead out of the water too, is how they're designed. And they even have a special gunk in there that will keep it from getting mold and stuff when it's not in use, when it's, there's moisture in there but you're not using it and there's not water flowing through it. So actually that's a pretty nice function too. But we've been using these for ever since we got into the RV a couple of years ago. So it filters down to 20 microns, and yeah, they've worked really well for us.